What's wrong, young man?
Pastor, I have a problem. There's this guy that I don't know if he spiritually entered me, but he does things to me. You see, sometimes I'll find myself in a place that I don't know, like I can't explain, but he's in me.
How does it look like?
I've never seen him before, but I know that he takes over me. He controls me somehow. I do things that.
What does it make you do?
Well, there was this one time where I was walking and I was carrying a TV, and then the police came by and stopped me.
Puma! Puma!
Sorry.
Puma kuye! Puma!
Okay, it's me. Why did he come out? Did he talk to you?
He just said something like you were looting and
No.
you were busy shouting as Kale all over the streets carrying TV.
I can't, but I wasn't crying at all.
You have stolen stuff in your house.
No, I don't have nothing stolen. I don't steal. I buy. I got my slips. I got everything. I don't steal nothing from no store.
What did you do with that stuff? Because he just said, he just confessed now.
Oh, yeah, I have a TV at home, but I think I bought it. He told me he bought it. That's how it came to my house. He never said anything about looting. Not at all. I promise.
Puma! Puma!
Whew.
Do you drink?
No, I don't drink at all. I'm
Come
not an
have-
alcoholic.
Drink this water. Drink water. Puma! Puma! How do you feel now? Puma! Sekhona lesilimo. Puma kuye! Puma!
How did I get this glass?
Puma! Puma kuye!
Ngabe uthatha idashi.
Get out, you little demon! Puma!
How did I get this water?
I gave you this water. I'm dealing with this guy inside of you.
Okay.
A Zulu guy got inside of you.
There's a Zulu guy inside
Yeah,
of me.
that's why we keep doing these things. These crazy things.
Because I remember one day I went to this place. I don't know if it's called Nongoma or something like that.
What did you do there?
I was surrounded by these guys. We were clapping our hands. We were dancing. I was lifting my leg. Then the next minute, my whole body, my clothes is clean, but I was keep on doing this. And I was doing this. And
Puma!
I went.
Puma! Puma! Puma manje! Uba igama lakho?
My name is Usbahle. Bahle Mlaba.
Puma! Puma! Puma kuye! Puma manje! Puma!
In the name of Jesus.
Puma!
Yes.
Puma kuye! How do you feel now?
I feel as if it's working. I don't feel him in. Angindawo mlungu wami lo. Mlungu wami.
Phuma!
Ngishaya. Angindawo.
Phuma!
Mlungu wami lo.
Puma! Why are you in this body? Why? Yini uthanda ukuhlala la?
No, I don't stay here. I stay in town. I don't stay at home.
You stay in town.
Yes, I stay in town.
Wena olapho yini ndaba uthanda ukuhlala la?
I phela ngifuna ukubusa. Hawu, wena ufuna yini uba umlungu?
Puma!
You see what I mean? You see what I'm trying to say?
Puma!
Father,
Puma! Puma!
Hey,
Puma!
ngishaya phela.
No, I'm dealing with this
Why
guy.
are you hitting me?
Puma!
Why are you hitting me?
No, I'm hitting the guy inside
The
of you.
demon.
Puma boy! Puma! Puma!
Hey, angindawo umlungu wami lo. Angindawo. Hey,
Akuyena umlungu wakho lo. Ngithi phuma kuye manje.
please can you help me, Pastor? I don't know what's happening.
Phuma kuye. Ufuna ukuhlala kumlungu, yini ukhetha ukuhlala kumlungu?
Hayi phela kade angifisa ukuba ungena emzimbeni nomlungu nami ngikwazi ukubusa njengabo. Phela hawu, nami ngifuna ukuba nemali, nami ngifuna ukuthi ngingashaya amaphoyisa, nami ngiyathanda nje ukuthi ngibe nezintombi phela ingwe idla amabala.
Puma! Puma!
Hey.
Puma!
Hey.
Usekhona?
Sorry?
Okay, I've just chased him away.
Is he out of my body?
He's out.
Oh, so thank you so much, Pastor. Thank you very much.
un pusignolo, era che ciao!
Pula!
Bible.
Sobe o beijo. Puma!
Oh, come on.
Sobe o beijo.
No, not Puma. This is not a Puma. It's my T-shirt.
No, I'm talking to this guy.
Oh.
He came back.
Oh. Please
Every
help
time
me.
I leave, he comes back.
Sorry, Pastor. I can't control him.
But you're gonna be fine.
Okay, thank you.
Ja haben Pincha!
Puma!
Oh.
Puma!